Okay, so we're gonna take a quick look at this right here. Really, really excited for this because I have my Volta here from GoPro, and I usually do a lot of recording with the GoPro. So again, I was looking for something that is just better than the regular one, and I'm just gonna compare the regular one right here, which it does have a couple things that I don't like, and then you have the newer one right here. We put it side to side just so you have an idea. First of all, this is made out of aluminum, and it comes with two in the pack. And the first thing you're gonna notice is that really no longer you require that tool that goes in here, right? You don't need to crank it out with the tool. You could just use your finger and you could crank this hard enough, right? The other thing that you're gonna notice is that it's very slim. This one is a little bit thicker. There is other ones out there that are a lot slimmer as well. But sometimes with this one, what happened is that when you set up the camera, and you can see it right there, this thing being a little bit thick, sometimes it pushes the camera and it's not completely level. Like I said, there are some slimmer ones out there, but again, it's one of those things that sometimes when I need to put the piece in here, it may get a little bit on the way. So I decided to go with this one. We're gonna do a test right now so you guys can see it here on camera. I was kind of concerned that it wasn't gonna be long enough, but it is long enough. So we're gonna put it in here as you can see, and then we're just gonna crank on this. And again, really, really easy. Obviously, this is silver, so maybe you're not into that look or something like that. Again, it's going to be up to you. I really don't care that much. But what I like about here is that I could really crank this up, right? And I'm cranking it, cranking it. That is tight. It's not going to move. I don't need any special tool or anything like that. And keep in mind that it's slim, so it's not going to push my camera out of the way, right? When I need to lose it, I could just quickly loose it up and again make adjustments. I do record a lot on my motorcycle, so I do move my camera a lot. I really think this is a very beneficial, tool that a lot of people are going to like. You see how easy I move that again. So again, this is going to be a thumb screw here for the GoPro. Again, aluminum. I really like it, guys. I just got it and I'm really excited about it.